How to use CoinGecko app for beginners. So hey guys, in this video, if you're a beginner right there and you don't know about CoinGecko, so CoinGecko is like a chart that shows the currency of each cryptos. So here, as you can see right now, there you go. It's the currencies right now of each one of them. There you go. So click on that right there. Here, as you can see, hashtag number one. It's gonna wait. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, there you go. As you can see, here it is. Oopsie, I backed it. Here it is now. Once it's here, you can set like an alarm for it. There you go. As you can see, like an alarm. Set alarm for the target price. For example, you want it to be like 80k. That's your target price. Add price alert. So whenever it's gonna turn to 80k, it will alarm you. There we go. There we just gonna put it maybe later. So now you can edit to your favorite as well. Somebody have a favorite, you like Bitcoin, you can just add it right there. Favorite star, click on the star in the top right corner. My portfolio, add new portfolio, something like that, and click on create portfolio. So a quick tip for you guys, you cannot buy anything right here on the CoinGecko. You cannot buy crypto or anything. It is mainly used to check on the prices, set some alerts, and maybe like sometimes it's just much more accurate, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we'll just set on 1 hour. There you go. 24 hours. There you go. 7 days. 1 month. There you go. 3 months. Year, quarter, 1 year, and max. There you go. Anyways, there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. I'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And here on how to, I'm here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you, guys.